And now the news in detail. The National People's Party NPP is poised to lead the Executive Committee EC in the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC, backed by its ally United Democratic Party UDP and the two independent candidates. Thombor Shivat will take over as a Chief Executive Member CEM and Lasky Rimbai from the UDP will continue as a Deputy CEM. The NPP, which won 13 seats and now forms a majority with the UDP's 3 seats and the support of independents Violet Lingdor and Moonlight Parriott, bringing the total to 18 seats in the 29-member council. A meeting was held to solidify the coalition's position, with NPP's W.R. Karluki acknowledging their team effort in securing a win.
Ultimately, we have 13, so ultimately it will be the NPP who lead the executive committee.
So, with your coalition partners?
Yes. We MDA. Actually, MDA won from in Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council.
I've seen the performance of the party in Jaintia Hills. I think it's very good, very good. If you look back during the MP election, all the 7 seats were by the UDP. But now we got 13 seats. I'm very satisfied with that. I think we will form the government. We'll form the EC in the Jaintia Hills Autonomous.
The voice